Hello everyone, welcome to African Note Food. I hope everyone is well. If you're first time coming to watch us, we welcome you. So today you can have a seat and see what we are doing. So today we are baking our homemade tomatoes for our jollof, stew, anything of your choice. So what we have tomatoes. We have 1 kilogram of tomatoes. We have bell pepper. We have yellow one, red one, green one, and we have sweet pepper. We have 1 large sweet pepper, and also Scotch bonnet. We have 4 Scotch bonnets. We have ginger here, and we have garlic, parsley, and here we have thyme, bay leaf, smoked paprika, and rosemary, fresh rosemary. And we have onion. We have white onion and red onions. So we're going to chop all these together and put them in the oven to bake. Okay, let's go ahead and start. We're going to chop this onion, open them into 2 like that, and we have our baking tray. We're going to put this on our baking tray here. Chop. The reason why I'm using white and red onion, the red onion is sweet, and the white onion is a bit strong. So I like both the tastes mixing together. So here I'm gonna add my tomatoes. The side I have opened them into 2. Here, tomatoes. Then my bell pepper, also here, open into 2. So I have three large ones here, and the sweet pepper in the middle here. There. And the Scotch bonnet, I'll put them inside, hide them, yeah, so they won't get burned. I'll hide them here on the middle, yeah. And the garlic as well. All right, there. So now what I'm going to do, I have my oven here. I have preheat my oven. It's on 200 and it's on a grill, yeah. Okay, open, be careful. Ooh, it's hot. So I'm going to leave this inside to grill for 15 to 10 minutes, and then I'll take it out and show you how it looks. So the tomatoes and the peppers are roasting now, so they are grilled. It's on the grill. It will be ready soon. We'll take it out, and then another 5 minutes and it will be ready. So this is our grill. The grill we left it for 20 minutes. So now we're going to turn them and mix them together. Yeah. It smells so good. I haven't added anything yet, but it smells really nice. So I mix them together now. Everything. So also I'm gonna add the parsley and the ginger. Okay. On top. So what I'm going to do with the parsley, I'm going to hide it a bit so it won't get burned. I'll hide it on the tomato, on the pepper, sorry. On top of the tomatoes, on top of it, so it will stay, and the ginger as well, hide it a bit so it won't get burned. Now I'm gonna add my bay leaf here, the dry thyme, the paprika, rosemary, mixing. Mixing them well. And also I'm gonna put it inside the oven again for 10 minutes on bake now, not on grill anymore, on bake, so it goes down and bake 200 still. I'm gonna leave you another 10 minutes. Our baking tomatoes look like. Now we're going to add this in the blender and blend it. All of it goes in, onion and everything. So we put in there, and you blend it. And after blend it, we bake it again for about 10 minutes to take all the water, drain all the water out, and it become really soft and no water at all. So you can use for your jollof rice, your stew, anything that you want to do. To blend this into a paste. Yeah, start blending. So this is how the tomatoes look like. I have blended. Now I'm gonna leave it in the oven again for another 10 minutes. For the water, I don't want any water in it, so 10 minutes again, and then we will see. But still, I'm just gonna leave it on a 180 and leave it 10 minutes, yeah? 10 to 15 minutes. So voila, this is our tomato bake. This is how it looks like. You can see there's no more water. Nicely done. Bake perfection. Perfecto. This is really nicely done. I like this. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it to cool down, and then I'll package this and put it in the freezer for later use. For anything, you can do jollof rice with this, stew, galifutto, spaghetti bolognese. You can use as a sauce for sauce. So this is how it is. If you want to try, go ahead and try. I have tried it and I like it, and it tastes really nice as well. It smells really good. Very nice. So thanks for coming today. I hope you enjoyed this. Please like and comment, subscribe, and give me a thumbs up as well. Thank you. Bye bye.